Hi, do you think your TFSA is helping your money grow? But what if it's actually holding you back? Many South Africans are doing the right thing, contributing to a TFSA, but still not seeing real wealth growth. And the reason is not what most people think. Most people believe that as long as they are saving, they are moving forward financially. But there's an uncomfortable truth: saving is not the same as growing. If your TFSA is sitting in a bank account earning interest, your money might feel safe, but it's not really progressing. Because while your money is growing slowly, inflation is quietly reducing its real value. You might be wondering, why do people choose this? Well, because safety feels good. We are naturally wired to avoid loss, even if it means missing out on bigger gains. So people choose certainty, even when that certainty limits their financial future. In South Africa, there are three main ways people use or contribute to their TFSA. The first one is the bank TFSA. This is the safest option because your money earns interest and there's no risk of losing the capital, but your growth is limited. The second option is a managed investment portfolio. Here, your money is invested for you with a financial advisor, and usually this will earn you higher returns over time because you can get dividends that you can reinvest, and also there's capital growth on what you have invested in. The third one is the do-it-yourself option, where you invest in shares or ETFs by yourself through a platform with a financial services company. This will give you full control and higher growth potential as well, just like the second option. Now, let's make this real and look at real-time examples. But before we do that, let's recap. By the time of recording this, South Africans are allowed to contribute 46,000 rands per annum in a tax year or in a particular tax period, which is specifically from March to February. And they are allowed to contribute these 46,000 rands to a tax-free savings account. And every individual has a lifetime limit of 500,000 rands. Now, let's get back to our example as I promised before. Let's say Sipho keeps his TFSA in the bank account, earning a 6% interest. Well, this feels safe and is predictable, and he has his returns, and he will earn those returns tax-free. Let's say then we also have Tembi. Tembi invests in a managed portfolio with a financial advisor in a financial services company. She takes a moderate risk for better growth. Well, this is also a good option to take. Then let's look at what Dudu might be also investing in. Let's say Dudu invests on her own. She takes more risk, but also has more potential upside. All these three are consistent and all these three are disciplined, but over time, the outcome will not be the same. Because Sipho has a guaranteed 6% interest every year. However, Dudu and Tembi have exposure to capital growth and reinvestment of their dividends to grow their investment even more. Therefore, you should choose carefully and make sure that now you choose an option that is good for you and also for your future growth of your investment. So, if you look at these examples that I've actually mentioned, the difference is not effort, but the difference is strategy. Many people underestimate compounding and overestimate safety. So they end up protecting their money instead of growing it. The compounding effect that you will get when you invest in a stock exchange or in a portfolio that is managed by a financial service advisor or financial planner, it's actually massive, more than you taking your money and putting it in a bank account or in a tax-free savings account, bank account, where you're only just getting interest from it. So the problem is not the TFSA itself, but it's how do we contribute to a TFSA? Then the real question also becomes, how do you actually make your TFSA work for you? In the next video, we're going to break that down. Remember, this content is for educational purposes only and not a financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor before making any financial decisions. I am Lekgabo, the mystical nerd, making money and sense, not mysterious. Follow, like, and subscribe for more. Thank you.